Comal County reports its 8th coronavirus death. 36 people are hospitalized with the virus there, and more than 400 others are recovering at home. As Hill Country reporter Leah Durain shows us, doctors in New Braunfels are asking for your help.
Christus Santa Rosa Hospital in New Braunfels is caring for a growing number of coronavirus patients as the crisis reaches new heights in Comal County.
Initially, the number of severe illnesses were low, and that's starting to change because unfortunately, most of those 19 and 29-year-olds have family members that are older. Unfortunately, those are the ones who have more severe illness. So our hospital admissions and ICU admissions have had a sharp increase over the last 1 to 2 weeks.
Doctors are using a medication called dexamethasone to treat some patients and convalescent plasma for others. The technique uses plasma from donors who have recovered from the coronavirus. Their antibodies help others fight off the virus.
We've actually done quite a few patients already with convalescent plasma. We have seen improvements. Instead of the patients just progressing and going on to the ventilators, we've been able to kind of halt that in a lot of patients, and then they start to slowly recover after that.
Since New Braunfels falls outside of Governor Greg Abbott's medical facility mandates at this point, this hospital is performing emergency and elective surgeries at this time, along with treating coronavirus patients. With a variety of procedures taking place inside these walls, the need for blood and plasma donations from anyone who is healthy is increasing daily.
As a community, we all need to come together and help one another. This is something that everybody can do. Donate blood, and hopefully that blood can then be used to save another life.
I'm Leah Durain, the KENS 5 Hill Country reporter.